Hey, welcome back to AutoHelpExperts, the place where we share insider knowledge on all things automotive. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ramon Jack. I have more than 8 years professional sales experience. I have consistently been the top salesman, generating millions in sales every month, becoming the face of the company, and I have featured on multiple advertisements and radio interviews. Today, I've got a valuable guide for you on selling your car privately. Whether you're a first timer or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is packed with tips to make the process a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, let's prep your car. Give it a thorough cleaning inside and out. Fix any minor issues like dings or scratches. A well-maintained car is more appealing to buyers. Now, gather all your car's documents. The title, maintenance records, and bill of sales. Having everything in one place will streamline the process. Price it right. Research your car's market value online. Consider factors like mileage, condition, and any other optional features. Be competitive, but also realistic. Time to create your listing. Take high-quality photos of your car from different angles inside and out. Write a detailed description highlighting its features, condition, and maintenance history. Get the word out. Use online platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and auto-specific websites. Craft an attention-grabbing headline and include all the necessary details. Be responsive. When inquiries come in, answer promptly and professionally. Share the car's history honestly and provide a vehicle identification number or VIN number if asked. Go to your local DMV or equivalent agency to transfer ownership officially. Make sure you provide all necessary documentation and be prepared for fees. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to selling your car privately. Remember, it's all about preparation, honesty, and communication. By following these steps, you can navigate the process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on everything automotive. Thanks for tuning in to AutoHelpExperts. Until next time, happy car selling.